stop at IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds. We have started with alkane. We stop at alkane. Alkane. That is a functional group C single bond C. We said the general formula of alkane is CnA2n+2. We have done that. So we are through with straight chain alkane. We want to start with branch chain. We have started. We have the rules. You still remember in our fourth video. You see it under the organic chemistry. So we stop at A. Under example. We have started with examples. Example. You still remember under branching we gave you this 1, 2, 3, where you're asked to name it. We're giving this where you're asked to name it. We have the rules. We have written that one. We have done it. What are the rules in naming organic compound? E.g. alkane here, you count the number of longest unbranched carbon atom, and it is written as a parent chain. Go and check the fourth video, you will see it there like that. Then immediately after that, you identify the functional group and write it as a parent name. Then the third one, you check the alkyl group. The fourth one, you check the carbon atom in which the alkyl group is attached. Then you have to count from left to right, then right to left. You take the lower number. Then the numbers are separated using comma. Then the numbers are separated from alphabet using hyphen. We have done that one. So this is the longest in anyhow. If you are counting from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In any order, you will see it is a 3. The longest is 3. So 1, 2, 3. So you write this as parent name. So parent name now will now be 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atom is prop. We call it prop. Then the functional group is C single bond C. That is alkane. That's why it will end with propane. Then this one is the attached alkyl group attached CA3, and CA3 has this one is CA3, and this CA3 is a methyl, and methyl attached to carbon 2. So you say 2 methyl propane. So the answer is 2 methyl propane. So you have counted from left to right. If you count from right to left, 1, 2, 3, still the same thing. The alkyl group still attached to carbon 2. Please take note of this. Very, very important. And we have a situation whereby the structure, the formula will be given. CA3, molecular formula like this, CH3, bracket attached, then CA3. You'll be given this and you have to draw the structure and name it. So I will start with H, C, H. They say methyl attached. That's the meaning. CH, CA3. Then this one containing as CH3. You can see. Still remain. You should be able to name it as 2 methyl propane. 2 methyl propane. 2 methyl propane. Take note of that. So Roman figure example 2. Let me say B. Examples. Let me say B. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have C here. We have hydrogen here, hydrogen here, hydrogen here. You can see. So if you want to name this, you have to start from left to right and check from right to left. Take the lower number. So let me start from left. So if I call this 1, 2, 3, 4, you can see the longest chain. Even if you count it from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. In any order, the longest is a 4. That is booth. So booth. And the functional group is that of alkane. So we call it butane. That's the parent name. So on carbon 2, methyl attached to carbon 2. So CA3 is a methyl alkyl group attached to carbon 2. When you are counting from left to right, so it will be 2 methyl butane. The name is 2 methyl butane. 2 methyl butane. When you count it from here to here. But let's count from left to right to left. So this one will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4. So you can see it's still butane. It's still butane. So let me write butane. It's still butane. But alkyl group now attached to carbon 3. When you are counting from right to left, so carbon 3, so 3 methyl butane. So you have to take the one with lower number. You can see 3 is higher than 2. So this one is wrong. So this is the correct answer. That's the correct answer. So if you are not giving this structurally, let me say 1, 2. In case you are giving it structurally, you are giving the molecular formula as you are giving CH3. You can see CH3, CH. You have CH. CA3 is attached. You can see CA3 is attached to this. Then you continue CH2. You are giving CH2. Then you continue CH3. You are giving CH3. So how do we draw it? The structure. I'll start by saying I have hydrogen here, hydrogen here, hydrogen here. Then C here, we have hydrogen. This one is attached, or you put it up. It's still the same thing. Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Then you continue with this also C, H here, H here. Then CH, CH3, CH3, CA3. So if you have to name this, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Longest butane. 1, 2, 3, 4. Longest butane. From left to right, methyl attached to carbon 2. From right to left, methyl attached to carbon 2. You take the lower number. So definitely the name will be 2 methyl butane. 2 methyl butane. So let's see example C. Example C. You are giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you have CA3 here. You have CA3 here. You have hydrogen here, hydrogen here, hydrogen here. You have hydrogen, hydrogen. You have bromine here. You have hydrogen here, hydrogen here, hydrogen here, hydrogen here. Take that. So if you have to name this, you look for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can count it like series empty. The longest is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3. So let me count it from left to right for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can go straight or I can come like this, do the same thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the longest is pentane. The longest is pentane. That's the parent name. Pentane. The longest is pentane. So I'm counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From left to right. Bromine attached to carbon 2. So I will say 2 bromo. 2 bromo. 2 bromo. Methyl attached to carbon 4. I will say 4 methyl. 2 bromo, 4 methyl. I will write it now. 2 bromo, 4 methyl. 2 bromo, 4 methyl pentane. When it is counted from left to right. From right to left, let's see. Bromine attached to carbon 2. Carbon 2. Okay, let me count it from here. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Methyl attached to carbon 2, bromine attached to carbon 4. So 4 bromo methyl attached to carbon 2, 2 methyl pentane. You can see 4 bromo 2 methyl pentane. Why, when you count it from here to here, you say 2 bromo. This is 2 bromo 4 methyl pentane. Why this one is a 4 bromo 2 methyl pentane? When you count it, 2 plus 4, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. The same, meaning the two are correct. Alphabetical order, B comes before N. So I will prefer to take this. So the two are correct. So 2 bromo 4 methyl pentane or 4 bromo 2 methyl pentane. When you are writing it down, you have to follow the alphabetical order. You can see B comes before N. So that's why bromo is written before methyl. But when you had, they have this or the. So figure 2, let's say you are giving the molecular formula as Ca3, CHBr, CH2, CH, then bracket Ca3 is then CH3 is what you have. You have to name this. So what you are going to do, you start with CH, Ca, then either hop or CH, then that bromine down. Bromine is down, either you put it in bracket. Bromine is down, so CH. So you continue C. This is H, this branch. You have alkyl group methyl here, then continue CH3. So you can just name it. So you have 2 bromo 4 methyl pentane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is a C. Let's see example D. You are given 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, like that. We have hydrogen here, 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 hydrogen, hydrogen. You can see that. So count it from left to right. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. If you like, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In any order you have the longest to be. So the parent name will now be propane. That's 3. So having considered that, you can see methyl attached to Ca3 attached to carbon 2. Another Ca3 here. We have 2 alkyl group attached to carbon 2. So 2 methyl, another 2 methyl, then you call it 2,2 dimethyl. You have 2 methyl. You have another 2 methyl on carbon 2. Methyl on carbon 2, another methyl on carbon 2, so will be 2,2. When you combine it, then we now say 2,2 dimethyl, then propane. So this one is known as a 2,2 dimethyl propane. That's the name. You can see between numbers I use comma, between number and the alphabet I use hyphen. So between alphabet, you know, it's written together. Please take note of that. That is 2,2. Now I will call it 1. What if you are giving the molecular formula? You are giving Ca3. You have C. You can see we have 2 alkyl group attached to carbon. So you say Ca3, then bracket 2. CH attached, another CH attached. Then you continue you have Ca3. Ca3. So if you are given to draw this structure and name it, remember it will be CH3. It's like this. You have carbon, draw your carbon. Alkyl group, methyl attached to this carbon, another methyl attached, so you put one down, one up. Then you continue with carbon, then hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Then you can then name it by counting the number of longest unbranched carbon atom. So 1, 2, 3. You count it. So we'll give it 2,2-dimethylpropane. 2,2-dimethylpropane. That is D. 3, 4. We have bromine here. This is what you have. Let's see the longest. When you're counting from left to right, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the longest is 6. That is hexane. Hexane. We have done it when the number of carbon atoms is 6. We call it X. That is prefix. Hexane. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexane. You can see bromine attached to carbon 2. Alkyl methyl attached to carbon 4. So it will be 2 bromo, then 4 methyl hexane. 2 bromo, 4 hexane. But let me count it. Why did I put bromo before methyl? Why not 4 methyl, 2 bromo? Because B comes before N in our alphabet. So please take note of that. English alphabet. So another thing is, let's count from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So still the same. The parent name is hexane. The parent name is hexane. The longest. So methyl attached to carbon 3, while bromine attached to carbon 5. So it will be 5 bromo, 5 bromo, 3 methyl, 3 methyl hexane. 5 bromo, 3 methyl hexane. Which one is the correct one? I've counted from left to right. I've gotten this. Then from right to left, I've gotten this. So you have to consider the number. 2 plus 4, that is 6. 5 plus 3, that is 8. So this one is, no, take the lower number, it's wrong. So this is the correct answer. Take note of that. E. Let's see one. Let's see chlorine here. Chlorine here. Chlorine here. Chlorine here. What's the name of this? Chlorine on carbon 1, chlorine on carbon 1, chlorine on carbon. So 1 chloro, 1 chloro, 1 chloro, 1 chloro. So it will be 1 chloro, another 1, another 1, another 1. Making how many chloro? 4. We will now say tetrachloro. Tetrachloro. You know, 1 carbon atom with single bond, that is a methane. Methane, because it has only 1 carbon atom. So this will be mini chlorine on carbon 1, another chlorine on carbon 1, another chlorine on carbon 1, another chlorine on carbon, making 4. 4 is tetra. So we call it 1, 1, 1, 1, tetrachloromethane. That is EF. Let's see G, where you have 1, 2, 3. You have CH3 here, CA3 here. You have chlorine here. You have chlorine here. You have hydrogen here. You have hydrogen here. You have hydrogen here. You have hydrogen here. You have to name this. So you count from left to right. You are counting from left to right. This is carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3. You can see the longest is 1, 2, 3. The longest is 3. That is a propane. That is propane. So propane, chlorine attached to carbon 1. Chlorine attached to carbon 1. That is 1 here. 1 chloro, 1 methyl attached to carbon 2. So I will say 1 chloro, 2 methyl, 1 chloro, 2 methyl propane, 1 chloro, 2 methyl propane. I've counted. Let's count from right to left. This will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3. So chlorine on carbon carbon 3. So it will be 3 chloro methyl or carbon 2, 2 methyl. How many carbon atom? The longest, 1, 2, 3, 3. That is the propane. So you can see clearly that the first one is 1 plus 2 gives you 3, 3 plus 2, this is 5. So this one is correct, this is wrong. That is another example you need to consider. Let's see question now. You have to give the IUPAC name of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are giving this. You have bromine here. You have chlorine here. You have methyl here. Okay, let me put that chlorine here. This one is hydrogen. You have to name this. Count from left to right. That's the rule. 1 questions. Yes, let me hear question 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The longest is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. The longest is 5. So the parent name is pentane. This is pentane, 5. So bromine attached to carbon 1. So I will say 1 bromo. 1 bromo. Chlorine attached to carbon 4. I will say 4 chloro. 4 chloro. 1 bromo, 4 chloro. Methyl attached to carbon 3. 3 methyl. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Parent name pentane. That's the name. 1 bromo, 4 chloro, 3 methyl pentane. While counting from left to right. So let's see right to left. So this one will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4, this will be 5. So the parent name still remains pentane. So I will say bromine attached to carbon 5. So it will be 5 bromo. 5 bromo. Chlorine attached to carbon 2. So it will be 2 chlorine. 1 methyl, maintain carbon 3. 3 methyl pentane. That's the name. So let's see which one is correct. Add this together, you get 10. 5 plus 2 plus 3, 10. This plus this, you get 8. So this one has lower number. Correct. Which one is wrong? So number 2. Let's see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have hydrogen here, hydrogen here, hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. So let me count from left to right. If I'm counting, okay, let me increase this one by 1. Let me count it like this. This is the structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you are taking the 7, you have to be very careful. That is a 10. Then let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a straight, longest, unbranched carbon atom. That is straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. You can see the longest. You can't go this way. This is the longest. We don't commit that mistake. Don't make that mistake of putting it to be heptane instead of octane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is straight. So this is octane. Please take note of that. So I've counted from left to right. I've gotten octane. That is octane. You can see this one will now be the attached alkyl group attached. Alkyl group attached, which is C2H5. C2H5 and C2H5 is you still remember C2H5 is ethyl. Ethyl is C2H5. So ethyl is attached. So to be, when you count it now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm counting from left to right. So ethyl attached to carbon 5. You can see this alkyl group attached to carbon 5. So the name will be 5-ethyl and it's octane. 5-ethyl octane. When you are counting from left to right. Let's count from right to left. So this one will be carbon 1, this one will be carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4, carbon 5, carbon 6, carbon 7, carbon 8. Carbon 8. So still octane. But ethyl, when you are counting from right to left, ethyl attached to carbon 4. You can see it's on carbon 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This C2H5 attached to carbon 4. So it will be 4-ethyl octane. So you take the lower number. So this is the correct. This one is wrong. Please take note of that. That is how to name alkane. That is naming of alkane. Naming of alkane.